Hi guys, do all of you guys know how to make basic brownies or brownies at all? Well, today I'm going to help you make basic brownies. The first thing you will do is you will need to head to your local grocery store and you will just pick up some basic brownie mix. It doesn't matter what kind. You will also need some olive oil. The back of my package says vegetable oil, but olive oil is healthier, and as you can see, I'm out. You will also need to pick up some eggs, and you are good to go. As long as at home you have a medium-sized bowl, you have a mixing tool, and some measuring cups, along with a medium-sized saucepan to put your brownies in. To start, you will put a half cup of oil into your medium bowl. You will use 3 tablespoons of water, and you will also put that into your medium-sized bowl. Then you will grab your 2 eggs, you will break those up, and you will put them inside your bowl. And then you will put the packet that comes in your brownie mix. You will empty this packet into your bowl, and you will stir it until everything is mixed together. And then you will pour this into your medium-sized bowl until everything is layered out evenly. And you can see on the back of the box here, it gives you the cooking instructions to cook on 350 for 24 to 6 minutes. And you will put the brownies in the oven whenever the oven's ready. And your final product will look like this. Once your minutes are up, to check if it's ready, you will use a toothpick and you will pick it. And as soon as your toothpick comes out clean, you know your brownies are ready to eat. So I hope that helped you be able to make some basic brownies.